Hello there, welcome to The Gist on Plug Live TV. On The Gist today, Nigerians Reignite the Endsars campaign following the killing of a young boy in Delta State.
No more Sars, Ughelli. No more Sars, no more Sars, this law, keep coffee. This law, people are dead.
Widespread reactions have trailed the shooting of a young man in front of a hotel in Ughelli, Delta State by Special Anti-Robbery Squad Sars operatives. The shooting reignited the Endsars campaign, which has been on for a few years. The video, which went viral on Saturday, showed how there was confusion around the Wetland Hotel in Ughelli area where the policeman allegedly killed the victim and escaped with his vehicle, a white Lexus sport utility vehicle.
Follow them, so they run.
Follow them, oh.
They run.
They don't kill the boy, oh. Save that Ughelli.
Save that Ughelli. See them.
009.
009.
For front of
Wetland
Hotel. See the Lexus, oh. Now the boy get this Lexus, oh. Now they see, huh? See them, oh. They don't kill the boy, oh. The boy they road, oh. See them, oh. See them, oh. The boy don't die, oh. Who get that Lexus where they from don't die, oh.
Nigerians on social media reignited the hashtag Endsars, and reactions have come from celebrities, actors, social media influencers, among other concerned Nigerians. While more people are lending their voice to the Endsars campaign, some videos emerged on social media showing young people in different parts of the country standing up to policemen in their area. In the middle of the heated campaign on social media, the Inspector General of Police, Adamu, has ordered the ban of routine protocols by Sars. In a statement released by the police spokesman Frank Umba, the Inspector General of Police says that it has banned the personnel of the Federal Special Anti-Robbery Squad Sars and other tactical squads of the force, including the Special Tactical Squad STS, Intelligence Response Team IRT, and the Anti-Cultism Squad and other tactical squads operating at the federal, zone, and command levels from carrying out routine patrols and other conventional low-risk duties such as stop and search duties, checkpoints, mounting of roadblocks, traffic checks, etc. with immediate effect. In addition, no personnel of the force is authorized to embark on patrols or tactical assignments in Mufti. They must always appear in their police uniforms or approved tactical gear. While some people have applauded the IGP for his response to the Endsars campaign, some other people are still in disbelief of the effectiveness of the order. And this has led to the call of protest from celebrities, social media influencers, and a couple of other concerned Nigerians. And that's all we have for you on The Gist today. Remember to like and subscribe. See you soon.
Follow them, so they run.
Follow them, oh.
They run.
They don't kill the boy, oh. Save that Ughelli.
Save that Ughelli. See them.
009.
009.
For front of
Wetland
Hotel. See the Lexus, oh. Now the boy get this Lexus, oh. Now they see, huh? See them, oh. They don't kill the boy, oh. The boy they road, oh. See them, oh. See am o, the boy don die o. Who get that Lexus wey dey front don die o.